how to block hairs on Android, free without using third-party apps. So hello guys, in this creature video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to mobile settings. So I will simply go to settings. Here you would see mobile network connection sharing. To simply click on connection sharing. Once you click here, you guys will see personal ASPAR, VPN, private DNS, NFC. So simply click on private DNS. Once you click on private DNS, you guys will see off or to specific DNS. So simply click on specific DNS. Here you will simply click on DNS. Here you need to copy that DNS settings and paste it. And it was once you paste it, your errors will be not showing on your mobile apps or not in any other browsers. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.